queue operations. So in Python, data structure is also one of the most important. So this is about list operations and list using stacks and queues. Del statement in Python. Actually, if you want to remove any Python object from memory with the help of del statement, we can remove. So, for example, earlier we discussed that if you want to remove a particular element from the list, with the help of pop operation, we can remove. With the help of pop, we can remove. And we have another option called del also. With the help of del also, we can remove a particular element from the list, not only from the list, anywhere. And earlier we created objects of string, so which is allocated some memory for that object. I want to deallocate that memory, I want to remove that object. With the help of del only, we can remove. So here we are having some examples. Here I defined A is one type of list which contains some values. If I applied del A of 0, means the A have 0 element, -1 will be deleted. So if I apply del A of 2:4 means the slicing. So index value 2, index value 3 will be deleted. So 2, 3 will be deleted. So next del A colon means the total elements from the list will be deleted. So you can execute either del A colon or else directly del A also possible. So with the help of del objects or del statement, we can remove a Python object. Simply we say that if you want to remove a Python object, with the help of del statement, we can perform. So we'll check it how it is executing. So here I'm having queue. So queue is an object which is type of dequeue. I want to remove that object. Simply we say that del of queue. So now if you type queue, you will not get anything. So queue is not defined. Why? Because I applied del method. So del method what is doing? It removes the memory which is allocated for the object queues. So here I'm having stack. Stack is there. 3, 4, 5. I want to remove the element 3. So we can go with like del stack of 0. So del stack of 0 means it removes the 0th cell element. So if you check stack, you will get 4, 5. Earlier it is having 3, 4, 5. But now it is saying only 4, 5. So this is a way to delete a particular object. So if I am trying to delete the object which is not available with index, we'll get list assigned index out of range. We'll get an error. So this is the functionality of del. So if you want to remove a particular object, Python object, with the help of del, we can delete. If it is a sequence, so in that sequence, if you want to remove a particular indexed element, we can remove it. But if you want to remove, it should be a mutable object. For example, I am mentioning some str equal to hello. So if I mention some str of 2, I am getting L. For example, if I want to remove that L, so simply earlier which I worked del of stack of 3, I will try same like that. del of str of 2. Generally, it is not possible. Why? Because string is a immutable object. When I try to execute, so object does not support item deletion. So just to observe that del of stack of 2 I said, stack of 3 I said, or stack of 2 I said, deletion done. But when it comes to str of 2, it is not possible. Why? Because only the reason is it is immutable object. String is a immutable object. If I converted the list, this string into list, if I converted same thing to list, nothing is happened. So del of str of 2. If I type str, I don't have L. HELO. One L is missing. One L is missing. So how it has happened? I converted the string object into list object with the help of typecasting. I converted the string object into list object. So now when I type str of 2, I got L. When I applied del of str of 2, it has happened. Why? Because earlier it is a immutable object. Now it is a mutable object.